trying to get around Vince, and got around him, passed him nice and clean after the loops, super clean. I'm moving forward. I got 3 guys in front of me. He just doesn't even try to turn, just completely blindsides me. Didn't even see it coming once again.
Dean Wilson seems to be the latest victim of the Friese stupidity, and it's surprising how easily those words go together. Vince Friese, stupidity. They seem to rhyme, and they seem to just, flow off the tongue correctly. This is from WSX, and if you go to Dean Wilson's Instagram post, there's 2 of them technically, or you can watch to the end of this video. It would be at the end too if you want to watch at least part 1 of it. Apparently he just passed him, and then Friese did what Friese does and took him out. If anybody has a clip of the actual accident, comment down below, tell me where you found it, if you can see it anywhere. But it's just kind of sad that, Dean Wilson is such a nice guy. He's just an all-around good dude. He doesn't take people out. He doesn't ride hard. He's not, some idiot on a bike. And it just seems to be Friese has to be Friese. Apparently, if I'm correct in this too, this happened in like the Super Pole race. He wasn't even supposed to be in. Maybe I'm wrong about that. But it's just, how does he get away with all this? He is one of the worst riders, and sadly, I made a video about this the other day that he made contact with somebody else, and there was people literally, it was about the cross-jumping thing. He was cross-jumping, going off track and whatever. There'll be a little card in the top right if you want to watch that one. And people were actually defending him, saying, oh, you don't like aggressive riding. You don't ride, so you don't know. And it's like, there's no way you can defend cross-jumping, taking people out, and just being a generally all-around bad rider. But you got to say, while he is a bad rider, everyone knows this, you have to put it on the team. Why is MCR Honda continually paying this guy? I mean, at some points, they even had to turn off their comments on their Instagram post because they're getting so much hate for having him on the team. And it's not like he's winning. If he was getting 1-1s, he was winning championships, he was, absolutely destroying people, I can understand it because he's winning. But when you're continually paying a guy who is just a problem, all it's doing is giving you bad PR over and over and over again. And there's got to be somebody else you could pay. There is tons of privateer riders that would love that bike and that ride. I just don't understand why they keep staying with him over and over again. And I don't know, it's mind-boggling to me. But I don't know. You guys, comments down below. Tell me what you think. Again, if you found or if you saw the clip that apparently came after that one right there. I don't know. You guys tell me. If you can find it, link me. I'd like to see whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of World Supercross, Australian Supercross, whatever it is. Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
What's up, everybody? Well, probably wondering why I'm in a slang, but I'll get to that. Really don't even want to be making this post because I tell you what, it's really fucking up my mantra. I was in a good place, but anyways, we'll start from the beginning. Round 3 of World Supercross. So race 1, coming through the pack. Unfortunately, I got cross-jumped, and I had nowhere to go in the air. I crashed, and my mate, Colt Nichols, unfortunately tagged my bike. I got lucky, I escaped it, and he didn't. He had to go to the hospital. My kid's going crazy. So anyways, so I got 14th that race. Next race, I rebounded. I whole shotty led for 6 laps, made a few mistakes, ended up P4, good riding, and then race 3, P4 again, and then race 4, super final, coming through the pack, trying to get around Vince, and got around him, passed him nice and clean after the loops, super clean. I'm moving forward, I got 3 guys in front of me. He just doesn't even try to turn, just completely blindsides me, didn't even see it coming once again. There was no build up to this. I haven't had any beef with him since A1. Like, there was nothing. Like, he just completely fucking drove it into me. People behind me that were in the race said they've never seen someone get hit so hard. Anyways, dislocating my shoulder. We're here in Brisbane at the doctor's. I've torn my labrum, and it's putting everything in jeopardy as far as the UK